Guys, my name is 209. Today we're going to unbox the Nerf fern for you guys. Most likely Nerf for me. The Nerf N-Strike Elite Surge Fire. So let's open it. Oh my god. Please stand by while Mark fixes his camera. Alright, so let's do this. So I got some scissors. Adult ones, to be exact. But I don't care. I'm gonna cut this thing open. I'm gonna cut this sucker open. Leave in the comments below if what's the most powerful Nerf gun. And okay, let me open. Subscribe to, shout out to, Jordan Studios, because he's my friend. And how many does this thing have? Gosh, that's too cheap. And now we got the gun out. So, get the heck out of here. Alright, this is again. Not loading, but that's okay. And this is alright, let's see how it is. I'll take out this thing, which is probably held in by some. Let's just open it. Please stand by. Alright, I'm standing by. Please stand by, please. And you'll probably hear the music already. I'm hearing it probably since the beginning of the video. Oh my god, I'm cutting the rope. You also know what that game is. Cut the rope, right? Now we put it to, like, how do you put this in? Please stand by. I'm sure this. So yeah, how do you load? And there, own that like a Nerf gun in life. There you go. Alright, that's like work it. Okay. Now to get all the bullets. Oh my god, it's like, this is a ton of bullets. I don't know who's made. Okay, leave in the comments below if you know of Fortnite or PUBG. Who's made first? I have no clue. I think some people say that Fortnite is just a ripoff of PUBG because PUBG was first. You know, I'm sure it's true. PUBG was first. But oh my god! This is how you load it. So you go. Dang it, it's locked. Then you fire it, and here, all I have left is bolts. Okay, comment if you know who is Karina from Just vs. Brown. Gosh, oh, this is hard. Bullets, I will not let you win this war. What it? Dang it. You guys, just read Fern 5 times while I look for it. Fast. Open it, open. Gosh, no. What's the Nerf going with all those bullets, huh? Oh my god. Where the heck are these scissors? afraid I'll cut myself tonight. I'm not going to my bed. I was afraid I'll cut myself tonight. Alright, haven't yet cut any actual bullets. That would suck for the first thing owning a Nerf gun. That actually suck. Watch if my cutting skills ends up accidentally. Everything was well. This was little dark moon, and something strange on the train. Be careful, Luigi. Am I coming in with you, reading me? I love that song so much, and I cannot marry it. It's faithful. John, my rose is faithful. Really dark. How do you unload Nerf guns? Like, take them out? I think I just don't know what to do. Oh yeah. Now one by one they fall. Back on is evil. Back on is evil. I am all I am, all I am. If you know what game that's from, you are God. You are God himself. If you know what that game is. Because it's a game with guns and glitches. It's something you can't put in child's game, I learned. Because, I mean, Sega did. Okay, I'll tell you. But you will get $5,000. Just kidding. You're not going to get any money. You're not going to get any money. Seriously. Please like and subscribe to join the Money God team. To join Money Marky's Money. Damn, I have to work on that. But I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Alright. It's 15 hours at a time, so let's test this sucker out. You guys are gonna probably see this shoot. Madness. Gonna be total chaos in this one. Be like, let the game move. Okay, I'm loading in. If you want to see me, just load in. The slowest process ever. Mark. Loading bullets. Let's test this puppy out. In the battlefield. How much? And how much? I don't care. Let's test the sucker out. Let's look at the camera. I don't care if you can see, but. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have fun. Oh, witch. Fun, right, guys? I know it was fun. Let me pick up the mess. Anyway, hope you had a fun time. Again, like and subscribe to join the Money team. My eyes right there. Can I get them? Oh, you know what, guys? Just like and subscribe to join the Money team. Peace out. Bye.